Well, our nosy butt decided to come and check out this area. Pass it all the time we go into P-Town. We're gonna check it out for a little bit and see where it leads. Oh, it's windier over here. I can feel the breeze. We got a little nature center inside also. Not much in there, but it's, you know, very informative about fishes and birds. To the right, these are the trails. So we got one to the left and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right. Got a boardwalk too. Let's see what we can find down here. Not a split area. Maybe we could come back and go see the boardwalk. We're going to the right. Smells a little. Yes, it does. But it's tolerable. Salt marsh overlook. Yes, that's the salt marsh. A couple of ducks out there. Very windy, as you can hear. Like, I mean, even though it's a little hill, I can feel it in my darn knees and stuff. Right or left? Left is to the Bayview Trail. Let's go to the left since that shows an arrow. I don't know what's to the right. Look like a cemetery to the right. Wonder what this look like when the tide is high. The tide is high and we're, oh, I wanna be your couldn't go further anyway because I got the signs that do not enter, so I have to go on the sign that say trail. And that's what we're doing, but we got left and we got right. I would figure right is going back to the nature center, so we're gonna go to the left. So many options, so many choices. Which one? Well, since we keep on going left, we're gonna go left. Hopefully it leads into the other bay. The other trail. Will you stop? Okay, we're in the woods, two black females in the woods, and y'all talk about I sound like shooting sound. Really? For me shoes, there's no time. Probably need for time just in case we need for run. One thing for sure, got some rest benches around. Not today though. Maybe another time, not today. Got some houses around also. Like we going around in circles. It's fine with me just as long as it lead back to a trail. I feel that leading ahead like she know where she going. Okay, she said she know exactly where we're going, so I'm gonna follow her. Remember I've been telling her. I not even have to tell her because when hear her upon the video, she said she know where she'll go. Okay. Remember that. And me the big one out here behind our follower. Okay. So we're still out here in the woods. There you go. Good thing you got some markers on here showing us direction beside Raffine. Because knowing her, she don't walk all the way back to Yarmouth from here, okay? And for me, need them already start barking. Well, they're not already, they've been barking. Almost where?
I've seen cars and stuff.
Oh, I do see cars. Not say we there by the nature trail. by the nature house, cause I'm sure that's in a nature house. So by not a marker. They are very precise with these things. I don't want nobody lost over here, especially when you have to pay. It wasn't bad. It was $8. Was it $8? An adult? Yes. Should have took a copy of the price list. Coming up to another sign. Where are we going? Either way, left or right. And the campground and nature center. But you still have to go to the one that said they got a boardwalk. We're heading back to the nature center. And then go back to the trail that says boardwalk. Rafine, you see how much warning they give you. This is like the fourth one we saw. Stay away from the people in mushroom. Rafine. Stay away. But I not see the mushroom them I talk about. So far on the trail, Rafine only show me one of them growing out of a tree. That was the only one I saw. But I keep on seeing the signs them saying, do not pick them. Wonder if they would allow you to come out here and use their picnic bench and stuff. It looks like a camping area. That's what it looks like. Got numbers on it too. It looks like a camping area. So they probably have you pay to come out here and camp. Yeah, there goes another one over there. Yeah, if I was to say, I would say it is a camping area. Right there, another one right there. Yeah, it's a camping site. Now, where is the convenience store to buy the stuff? Like the other camping areas. The entire area is set up as a camping area. The only thing I don't see so far is like the fire pit. Don't know if they will allow you to bring anything dealing with flame around here. No water for the rary. Nature, another sign, nature center this way. The place that we really need a sign to see where to go, because there's just different areas that you could go. There's no sign. There's a building here. Rafine decided to go this way. And as before, I'm following her. There goes a sign, but it's kind of worn out. The nature center is over there. And we're going to see if we find the trail to the boardwalk. Got a sign here saying, please return your key. I don't know what the key is to. Let's see. Watch for vehicle. Checking out the boardwalk trail. This just looked like going around in a circle. But I went that way instead of going around in a circle. Still water run deep. Silver Spring Trail. Rest bench. No rest for the weary. More bushes over this side than the other one. I don't think I care for places with more bushes. Like trails, not places. Well, places too with a lot of bushes. Water is too close for me. Rafi said this look like the boardwalk. They better not count this as a boardwalk, okay? No, that's not what I'm looking for.
Okay.
You gotta check out the boardwalk? This trail does not have a lot of markers. And I see different areas you could veer off. That doesn't have any sign that says do not enter. Whew. Stumps, yeah, be aware of stumps. Just talking about you. And look what happened. We run up on you. Yes, here is the real boardwalk. Time I see stuff like this, I think about Troll living under the bridge. Under the boardwalk. It's not long like our usual boardwalk, but it's a boardwalk. Going over the boardwalk with the mercury water. Oh my goodness, don't tell me we're going back this way. Oh goodness, back in the woods we go. Got a little few steps up here.
Yeah, I saw this when we started the walk. We are not far from the entrance.
But no? Oh, okay.
Unless I'm seeing something.
I hope you see something right. Oh my God, it's going up the hill.
But I think I saw some steps somewhere.
Okay.
It's over here.
More of the water from up high. Ducks, them having a ball. Got a few of them in there. Heading back, hopefully. That's the boardwalk we thought was a boardwalk. But it's really just a little docking area. Not like a Grays Bay beach boardwalk, but it was a little boardwalk. Make it out to the entrance to the nature center. I got a sign, so we're heading back to nature center. See what's out here. You know what they say about curiosity, right? Curiosity. You can come fishing over here. Really shallow. I don't see no baby fish though. You know why I eat no fish? You see baby fish?
Yes, Erica. Yes.
Where you see baby fish?
You see them. See them running up and down there? Sit here.
No, sir. You sure baby fish? Oh yeah, we see them.
Yeah.
We see them.
Run up and down.
Rapping hammy, bending over my nose I run. I don't know which trail this is, but it doesn't look that bad. And right now, I am all walked out, so no more exploring for me. Not even all about the walker as much as it's about the hungry. Y'all always know every time I go hiking, I'm always hungry, right? Yeah, no, I'm starving. But I just want to put it on record. Okay. Rafin said, we see another boardwalk, we're gonna try it. And we fall out and pass out from a lack of food. Rafin fault. When I came out here in the beginning, and y'all hear me say, I don't feel like going. Check out this area, right? And you see what's going on? Okay. Can't make up our mind, we just have to see everywhere. Everywhere. I wonder if I could smell a pine. Let's see if I could smell a pine. Oh, definitely. It is strong. Coming up to our second boardwalk. Edge of the marsh, if you can read it according to Rafin. I prefer the other one. Rafin on a rest bench. I will say they have plenty of things for you to veer off the trail. They should have a bench up here though. I know it's small, but there should be a little bench up here to look out. Woo! Jesus. Average tide, average high tide, okay. Don't know what I'm reading, but I'm reading it anyway. 2063, I have no idea. Waiting for the end of this trail. Waiting for the end of this trail. And on back to the nature. George Pond Trail, Tri Island Trail. It's another boardwalk, really? Yeah, but we can't pass over there because got the water. And they went to the left. And if it does not say to the nature trail, I am not going there. So we're going to be turning back around. But I'll see how mucky this water is right here. I know. It seems like they probably live over that area. Yeah, just this little area right here. Yeah, no getting across to get to that other sign over there and to see the other boardwalk. So maybe when, you know, the weather get nicer, we come and see if we can find the last boardwalk. That is it. We're going back the same way we came.